Want a clear, unified view of all your investments, even outside Fidelity? Their portfolio tracker tool is a powerful, free dashboard for your entire net worth. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log into your Fidelity account and find Portfolio Planner, or Full View. You can manually add or link external accounts from banks, other brokers, and even your home's value. Once linked, it aggregates everything. You can see your asset allocation across all accounts, track performance, and monitor your progress toward goals. My crucial pro tip? Use it for holistic asset allocation. Don't just look at your Fidelity IRA in isolation. This tool lets you see if your entire financial picture, your 401k at work, your spouse's accounts, your emergency cash, is properly diversified. That's true financial planning. See the whole forest, not just the Fidelity trees. Do you use an aggregator tool, or do you prefer spreadsheets? For more guides on financial organization, subscribe. Thanks for watching.